Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add trusted connection to Roblox. So it's very easy and simple on how you can add trusted connection, but before that just simply make sure that your age is above 13 and you require the bare minimum. So just go to account info, and inside account info just make sure that your age group is 13 plus. Mine's 18 to 20. So once this is confirmed, just go back and go to home, and right over here you'll see the option of add friends. Just simply press on that, and it's the same on the phone. You just need to go to my QR, and right over here you just need to get your friend, that whoever you want to add your as trusted connection, just get them to scan this QR code. You can also copy profile link so they can get the QR code, and they will just scan your QR code to add you as their trusted connection. And yeah, after that it's pretty much it. And yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.